What to do, Peru? Today.
What do you think my brain is made for? Is it just a container for the mind?
Stop singing. Yeah, because I'm recording.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I said it 3 times already now. I don't like recording in front of people. This
I'm sorry. Okay.
It makes me so nervous.
I'll really shut the fuck up.
Okay, thanks. Because I didn't want to have to say it. You can't laugh at my.
I'm not.
My,
No, I was.
No, I'm saying you can't laugh at my intro though.
Okay.
Because it's corny.
Okay.
What it do, crew? Today, I am doing my hair. I'm gonna be doing soft locks. I just came from the beauty spot store with my friend Joshua. Well, you don't want me to call you Joshua?
No, I wanted to say something.
Okay. I just came from the beauty spot store with my friend Josh.
Some might think I'm cute.
Okay, yeah. I got everything that I needed. I'll show y'all when I get back home and get started on it. But yeah. Let's get into it. So I'm finally home and let's tell y'all what I need to do the locks. Mind you, this is my first time doing the locks, and I promise you I'm going to cry if it do not come out right. But here we go. So I got 6 packs of Bobbi Boss Nu Locs 18. And I got 1 pack, even though my friend told me to get 2. I only got 1 because I don't listen. And I don't think I'm gonna need all of that, but we'll see. So I got 1 pack of Cuban Twist double strand T27 meaning to go. It's a mix of black and the blonde hair. Shiny Jam, a necessity. Ponytail holders, obviously. A comb, brush. My hair is washed and blow dried though. I got these lashes. Yeah. This is the way they look. I don't know if y'all can see that. Right from the side. I'll put a picture of them. $8 from my friend Ayana. But first up, part the hair. Part the hair so that she can braid it. Okay, so I have all my hair braided up except for this one section, but I'm gonna do a side part, so I'm braiding all of it in a direction that I want it to fall, and then I'm gonna start putting the hair in. So I'm about halfway through. They long, but I still gotta cause I got lazy, so I just did the base, so like the bottom, the first one, and then I didn't extend them, right? This is the first one I did. Some of them have this like dark brown color because my roots are dark brown, just make it look a little bit more natural. But I'm finished this portion and I'm gonna show you how I do this section, right? And I'm gonna go in depth because I know it's been a lot of trial and error. It's like 12:40 right now. I'm tired. I just want to finish it. Like, she cute, but she ain't done. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how to do this section, or how I did this section and the extendo. So here we go.
A few moments later. One eternity later.
I'm gonna show you how I did it, right? So I left out one very important thing. Crochet hook. So we got everything done except for these two braids so that I could show y'all how I did it. Okay, I'm gonna take this crochet hook. I forgot that and what you need. Okay, crochet hook through the base of the braid, right where your roots are. You're gonna latch that on and close it and pull it through. Boom. Right. So in that same spot at the end, the loop, right? Pull your hair through. So pull your real hair through and pull the crochet hair. Now, what you're gonna do is unravel as you wrap. Unravel as you wrap. Good left, you're basically just gonna tuck it in. Just tuck it in there. Boom. There you go. Right. Crochet hook open. Right. Through the base of the braid. And you're gonna get your thread. And there's a loop on this end. I don't know if I can see that. There's a loop on this end. You're gonna take this loop, open it just a little bit, right? Latch it on, close the latch, and pull it through the base. That same loop, this loop right here, pull your hair, the braid, through the crochet hook and pull. Simple. And now you're gonna untwist. So naturally the dread twists in this direction. So I'm gonna twist in the opposite direction. Unravel. And now I'm gonna roll it or wrap it in the direction that it twists. So I'm wrapping it this way, unraveling it this way. Unraveling and wrapping. I'm gonna push it up for the messy look. Unravel and
DC on the track.
you get to the end and you're going to wrap it, tuck it, and roll it. And boom. I'm gonna extendo. So based off the ends, they both kind of small. So I'm gonna get two smaller ones because they all come in different sizes. So I'm gonna get this one. It's a little thinner. And I'm gonna get another small one. So I'm gonna mesh it up. I'm connected about right here. Actually, no, I'm connected about right here. So to connect it, same thing. We're gonna push it through the braid. Take the hook and put it where that loop is. Close the latch and just pull it through. Boom, right, easy. Unravel just a little bit. Same way how you did when we were putting it in our the base of our hair. Now we're just connecting it here. You're gonna take this one, same braid. This is the end of the original. Take this right? And you're gonna loop it and knot. Try to get the knot as small as possible so it's not real bulky. Unravel and unravel. And I'm starting with the attachment first, and then I'm kind of gonna switch between. So this is the end. I'm gonna switch, and then I'm gonna do this way, kind of like a 2-strand twist. And rub it. What not? Oh, okay. Now that we're done, time to shut it off. No, we gotta finish it off with some Young and Divine edge control, babies. Get into it. Get into it. Get into it. Shop Young and Divine collections. She's a 17-year-old hairstylist. Beauty products for bonnets, scarves, lashes. That's where I got my lashes from. I actually forgot what they were called, but I'm gonna put it over here, and I'm gonna link her Instagram and all of her stuff in the description. Let me use a comb because I don't feel like getting up to find my edge control brush, but okay, because I got hair all over my hand. Yeah, get into one. Now we're gonna wrap her up and go to sleep because it is 4-something in the morning and I am tired. Wrap it up into a bun. So doesn't go into a bun. Just good night. Good night. I quit. Okay, so I'm outside right now. It's raining. Well, it's drizzling, but this is the next day, and I'm also wearing the lashes that I bought. Getting 2 weeks. Here, edge control kind of stayed up, but again, it's raining, so, and it's hot out. This is the next day. This is how we look. See you guys in the next video.